My next chapter is your personal vision board, a place to capture the life you're working toward and remind yourself why you're making these changes. At the top, you'll find My Story Isn't Over. This is your space to describe the future you're creating. Write about where you hope to be a year from now, how you want to feel, the kind of life you're building, and the person you're becoming. Just below that, choose My Word for This Year, a single word that reflects your focus or intention. In this example, I've chosen progress. Beside it is Why It Matters to Me, where you can write a short reminder of why this journey is important to you. On difficult days, it can help bring your focus back to what you're working toward. Below that is your vision board. Here, you can organize your ideas into categories like dreams, goals, quotes, ideas, places, health, financial, learning, or reminders. Use the category buttons to quickly filter your board and focus on one area at a time. To add a new item, select Add Item or click Add New Vision Item at the bottom. You can upload an image from your computer with or without a title and description, or simply create a text-only card for quotes, goals, reminders, ideas, or anything else that inspires you. Choose the category that best fits your vision. Add a title if you'd like, write your note or description, and even choose a card color to help organize your board visually. Your vision board can be anything you want it to be. It might be a photo of your dream home, a place you'd love to visit, a financial goal, an inspiring quote, a healthy lifestyle you're working toward, or simply a reminder you wrote for yourself. Over time, it becomes a collection of the future you're intentionally creating, one small step at a time.